The animal having longest lifespan. Answer option B, tortoise. The only bird which can fly backward is. Answer option D, hummingbird. A bird which lays only one egg in 2 years is the. Answer option B, albatross. Which among the following is the largest mammal? Answer option C, whale. Which bird can sleep while flying for long periods? Answer is option C, swift. Which is the only snake that builds nests? Answer is option B, king cobra. Which is the fastest flying bird in the world? Answer is option D, peregrine falcon. Which of the following mammal lays egg? Answer option C, platypus. The scientific study of birds is called. Answer is option D, ornithology. Which of the following is the world's largest rodent? Answer is option A, capybara. Which flightless bird has been known to kill humans? Answer option C, cassowary. What is the fastest land animal? Answer option C, cheetah. Which of these birds is able to turn its head 270 degrees? Answer option B, owl. Which animal species can live in extremes of both heat and cold from minus 20 degree Fahrenheit to 120 degree Fahrenheit? Answer is option C, Bactrian camel. Nilgiri Thar is the state animal of which of the following states? Answer option D, Tamil Nadu. How many arms does an octopus have? Answer is option C, 8. Which one of the following is the tallest flying bird in the world? Answer is option D, Sarus crane. Kiwi is the national bird of which country? Answer is option B, New Zealand. The smallest dog on the earth is. Answer option A, Chihuahua. Which of these birds cannot fly? Answer option D, all of the above. Which animal can survive for up to 2 weeks without water? Answer is option C, camel. To which country was the flightless extinct bird dodo endemic? Answer is option B, Mauritius. Which of the following is the national aquatic animal of India? Answer option C, Ganges river dolphin. Which bird represents the symbol of peace and hope? Answer is option D, dove. What is the only non-immortal animal? Answer option A, Turritopsis dorin or jellyfish. Name the bird that migrates from the North Pole to the South Pole and back. Answer is option B, Arctic tern. Most highly intelligent mammals are. Answer option B, dolphins. The average weight of a blue whale is. Answer option A, 1,20,000 kg. Number of alari muscles in cockroach. Answer option D, 12 pairs. Which sea creature has 3 hearts? Answer option B, octopus. There is only one insect which can turn head. What is it? Answer is option C, praying mantis. Which animal can see both ultraviolet and infrared? Answer is option B, goldfish. Which among the following have a mixed heart? Answer is option A, reptiles. The germs of bubonic plague is transmitted by the bite of. Answer option C, Yersinia pestis. What animal has the worst memory? Answer is option C, elephant. Which of the following bird has the longest wingspan? Answer is option D, albatross. Which one of the following has the largest eyes of all land mammals? Answer is option A, horse. Which is the state bird of Karnataka? Answer is option B, Indian roller. How many legs do crabs have? Answer option C, 10. Which one of the following is the only species of apes found in India? Answer is option A, Hulock gibbon. The bird which lays more than 100 eggs in one nest is. Answer option B, ostrich. What is the scientific name of Bengal tiger? Answer is option D, Panthera tigris tigris. The Bindavas Bird Sanctuary BBS is located in which state? Answer is option C, Haryana. The male of which species gives birth to its young? Answer is option B, seahorse. Who is known as the Birdman of India? Answer is option A, Salim Ali. What is the branch of biology deals with the study of animals? Answer is option C, zoology. Which bird is the international symbol for happiness? Answer is option C, bluebird. What is the only venomous primate in the world? Answer is option D, slow loris. The peacock is from what family of birds? Answer is option A, Phasianidae. Which animal can create the loudest sound among any living creatures? Answer is option D, humpback whales. Which is the only poisonous bird in the world? Answer is option B, hooded pithoi.